No.
Hello.
Whatever, I don't even care. Okay, come in. Say like, yeah. So when you walk in my room, on the back of my door, I have just jackets and cardigans. Because I don't have a closet, which you will see. Don't be the person behind that goes,
Oh,
yeah.
sorry. I totally forgot. Go for it.
So good. And then to the left of my door, I just have this frame that has pictures that I drew when I was in art class in like grade 9 in high school. And then beside that, you see this big mirror that I have, and behind it is a curtain, which is doors that lead to my brother's room. So don't even ask about that. And then to the left of that is my bed. Giant teddy bear and like a light here. And then a Demi Lovato poster, and then a sunflower tapestry. Is that what that's called? Yeah, okay. So then that's my bed. I hate. To the left of my bed here is my vanity, which has just like makeup and stuff on top of it and on the inside. Above it, I just have a LED light with some photos around it as well. Nice. Below my vanity is just a bunch of storage of like art supplies. To the left of it here is just another like storage thing, and in top of it is literally just concert tickets, and then the letters for that, and then just other storage stuff like glittery pumpkins and random stuff. On top of it, we have this head that my aunt literally got in New York when she was like a teenager, and she gave it to me, and then random sunglasses and a cactus my brother got me for my birthday. And then behind me here is my favorite part of my room, probably, because I have a couch and just random couch stuff, I guess. Above it, we have a picture from The Breakfast Club, which is my all-time favorite movie, and then a bunch of random quotes and stuff below that. Okay, so then here we have my windowsill, which is just full of crap. So on this side, it's literally all Arizona tea cans, because I used to be obsessed with collecting them, and they're all different. So I have different bottles and different cans, which don't ask me why I did that. I just thought it was interesting at the time, and I just never got rid of them. Then on this side is literally just like crap, like flowers and like weird stuff. And then above it, there's just some string lights. And then below that, we have my shoes. And here we have most of my hoodies. I have about 40, if not more. Some of them are in the wash, and so I have an obsession with hoodies. I don't know why, but it's just a thing that I like. And then above that are just some hats. I don't wear hats. My head's really big, so I don't wear them. I just, like, I've worn this one maybe twice and never and never and never. And then to the left is my not closet, because I don't have a closet. So here is just like long jackets and stuff, long dress shirts and stuff like that. Not really in any particular order. Above it, these two bins are all crop tops, which is really bad, and I need to get rid of a lot of things, and I've already done that, so yeah. And then behind that, these are just some of my bags. More not as frequently used bags, I guess, and like bigger ones. And then these are just belts, bandanas, and like scarves to wear like on pants and purses. And then on this side is just some skirts, some dressier tops, and some bodysuits and stuff like that. Above that is my more used purses. So these ones all on, like the pink ones are all from Aldo. I have like, just love Aldo purses, and these ones are from Michael Kors, stuff like that. So that's that. Below that, I have these two giant, this one's not that giant, but giraffes that I won at a fair. And beside that is literally a bin just full of scarves. I love scarves. So here I just have pictures and my fish tank, and my fish is like afraid of everything and you'll never see it. But these ones here are just like random photos and like Valentine's and my grad cap and stuff like that. And then on here are just, mostly anyways, photo booth pictures. And then on my dresser I have a jewelry box and just literally like earrings, and then on top of some perfume, and then a card from Bailey and another card from Bailey, and then pictures of Bailey. So to the left of it, we have some sunflowers, fake sunflowers. This is a real one, and random sunflower stuff. And then this in here is just a really nice charm bracelet that my cousin got me. It's one of my like favorite things ever. And then below this is like a music box. It's also a jewelry thing. My dad got me that. And then to the left of that, there's just a picture of me and I'll just say Natasha at the pumpkin patch. And then beside that, there is this antique vase that's like painted with sunflowers on it. And then inside of it are roses and flowers that over the years of being with Bailey has gotten me. And then above that, there is the apron that I wore for Halloween that has fake blood on it. And then above that is a Major Lazer towel that I got at the concert, and then some string lights. Is that everything? That was so fast. So. Oh, and this is my dresser.
Oh, yeah.
In the dresser, I just have, like, underwear, bathing suits, more bathing suits, pants, I think, shorts, pants, more crop tops. Oh, my God. And then in here, I just have, like, random stuff, like Band-Aids and...
Nice.
I hate this. So, yeah.
Yay!
You can see this too, like, this is my rug and my ottoman and all this stuff in my Easy Bake Oven and everything I didn't even point out. I hate that.
You did love it.